And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And now, Dwayne is talking about a few things. First, they are still copyrighting his video. He has his own content and they are coming up against his content. They are copyrighting him. And that is not fair. Number one, if someone is using his content, they should not copyright him because he's the owner of the content. It is not fair for them to do so. Number two, he has some other things that he is talking about. So you may want to go and check out the video to see what he has to say. And once again, for all those people that are copywriting, that are taking claim to his videos and copywriting it, that is not fair. So cease from doing so. And everyone, you can check out the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. Have a wonderful Saturday. Love you all.
Over the hypocrite camp. Go over to the hypocrite camp them with all of the distractions. Not over here, darlings. Not over here. Definitely not over here. Understand? Right there, so. Yeah, we. Oh, I agree with get that from the backside. My top is the people them word because I'm gonna say my teeth them word. But yeah, people, business lovers, what's happening, what's good, how you guys are doing today. We have some things to go down in. We have some things to go down in. And listen, I may pause whatever we are going into and add my 2 cents as we progress. However, like I feel like we should listen to it together and you guys should listen, speak your minds, leave no stone unturned, talk up the things them, just be mindful, Facebook don't black on a choice of words, understand? Just make sure set on a comments it's not gonna go against Facebook community guidelines, so it is gonna steer in a good stead. Understand? Understand what I say? Honest to God, I'm looking out for you guys too. I am looking out for you guys too, cause me not want my good people them get black for that and they can't interact with the damn live, or they can just sit back and watch. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. No bad. I like when I see you guys run up and down in the comments anyways. I just sort of thing them. I like say, oh no, I run up and down in the comment. My good girls. Big up to all my good girls, right? PPC over here, over yes, over trending drama. I am for the young people. Over the other camp them, over Fidem camp, after the old fall them, the retired donkeys and the retired stallions. Over Fidem camp, them because sit down over here, sir, after the young people them. And don't get me wrong. We like embracing. I feel the old foes them over here too. I don't. Please don't take this. Please don't take this as any insult. I say this with the utmost respect over here, so after the young people them, and over the other camp them, after the old fool them and the old stallion them, respectfully. Me not tell no lie. Now for them I was a walk but with them drawers and that twist and them boxes and that up there and the matter like Guania, go and beg God for a sense of humor. Cause if you don't have sense of humor over here, so it is not for you, respectfully. And I say that with the utmost respect. And I don't care I don't give to a Rasta clat. Understand? Girl, I'm if I tell you what a piece of calamity. That me a hear to mighty God. No, sir. Some people paya, they want 2 bucks right in them thinking mode. That is all them need. That 2 bucks will them. 2 bucks will them. Yeah, they want 2 bucks in them mode. Cause honestly, God, these people on here, who just made a comment, are pathological lies. But to each his or her own. I could care less. Hey, the day them can come out and show me them pay stub, so they make a 1 3 or 4 grand. 3 or 4 grand off of social media. I said, girl, you're going with yourself. Got you. Goody. Good, good. And look at it. Me don't want to talk too much. Me don't want to talk too much. Don't want to talk too much because then we start envy people. Pay a table out scup. No, sir. What we don't do is envy people or bad man people for them look a dividends. Understand? Make them turn over there, sir, and go and make them for them look a shilling, and we turn over here, sir, and go and make we're big shillings and we're big coins them too. And be very clear, we're not have a big thing under that. I'm very sorry. I'm in a big fin of stars like that, darling. Go on, move your dirty. Don't me start. I am not a man. I am something in between. I am not a man. I am something in between. Come off my life and I'm going to block you. I'm going to block you. No discrimination. No discrimination will be tolerated over here. Respectfully. People, whether I want to act like a girl, whether I want to act like a man one day, act like a girl the other day, and act like I'm a kid the other day, it is my choice and my choice only. Don't come here with your discriminatory, damn unscrupulous stuff. Go somewhere else. Allow people to be who they want to be and stop judging. Stop judging people. Understand? Pray to God none of your children don't ever grow up one day and want to act like a damn girl too. Go and sit down. Go and sit down and leave people alone. To be quite frank, my family are not bothered with my behavior, nor my traits. So I don't understand why someone on the one come take it to put on the head top and want to get to put on their feelings. Or they can't go on and leave me alone. Understand? And since she just act like a man, listen, today I'm Dewisha right there to me. And I don't care which one I want to don't like Dewisha. If you don't like Dewisha, go on. To the left, step to the blouse couple if I want to honor. No retreat, no surrender. I want honor. I also call honor. Don't come here with on the discriminatory selves. Go somewhere else. We are now living in the 22nd century, to be quite frank. We are now living in the 22nd century. Men and men can marry. Females and females can marry. Listen, stop with a discrimination and allow people to live the lives they choose to live. Understand? Don't come tell me, oh, act like a man. I'm not a man. I'm something in between. I'm not a man, nor am I a woman. I'm something in between. Move for yourself, put it in your pipe and smoke it. Backside, don't know. Anyways, people, anyways. We have a lot of things to dissect. We have some things to dissect. Please share this video. Please share this video because we are not going down into it until I see a good amount of you on the live. I'm very sorry. I am very, very sorry. Where are my good people? Where are you guys? Where are you people? Where are they? Where are you guys? I don't know what's happening. Hold on. Is it because I've been cursing a lot of baddies on to desert me? Okay, I'm stopping now. I am stopping now. Backside donor. It's like people on social media, they can't be themselves. Look how many people chop up them dirty bodies when them ready. And you people want to come hold it against me. On the guania, you people was never for me from the jump anyway. That's why I was running a lot of you. I was running and blocking a whole lot of you throughout the week gone. I was blocking a lot of you. A lot of you got blocked. And a lot of you will never be unblocked either. Never, ever, respectfully too. Go on over the hypocrite camp, then go right over to the hypocrite camp. Oh, and be clear. I live in Great Britain, right? I live in Great Britain. I can walk down the street and I see two men kissing and no one can't do them a damn thing. Two females, I can walk in that street and two females kissing. Nobody can't do them a damn thing. Take on a discriminatory ass and go somewhere else. Understand? A lot of you people living on a third world country with on a sad life and on a miserable life. When nothing don't even know when I'm gonna find the next meal from. When I don't know when I'm gonna get to the next meal from. I want to come style people living a big farm. Go on, take care of yourself. Alright. The most important people in my life, my mom, my dad, my family, they love me unconditionally. Whether today I want to act like a woman, the other day I want to act like a man, the other day I want to act like something in between, they accept me for who I am. If one can't accept me, take one a dirty blow scop from over here. I also calling, sure as hell wasn't me. Sure as hell wasn't me. Most definitely wasn't me. The minute my life goes ping, I own a fly come here, on a fly come by